Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after jobless data, we got to see some moves in the market on the chart of gold, and gold made a low of 1914. Okay. To be honest, when the selling pressure was so high, I thought that gold would go down further, but I was confident that 1900 would be our savior because we have seen from the contracts data that 1900 at the bottom is standing as a rock solid support, and at the top we have 1950 and 1960, and I think 1900 and 1950 should be the range for the gold for this month. Right now gold is standing at 1924. So let's look at the market. So first of all, let's look at the chart of DXY US dollar index, and DXY is, as we all know, that very there is no doubt that DXY is an uptrend. Both fundamentally and technical, DXY is an uptrend. All the fundamental factors are also helping DXY to go towards the upside, the major ones. Okay, and if you look at the economic calendar, you can see that today we have PMI coming up. So yes, PMI will also bring some volatility to the market. So beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, and profitable traders who had a profitable week, try to close down your US dollar positions because market will be volatile, market will be crazy, and your stop loss may not work. So do not gamble at the time of news. Okay, we can see here yen under pressure as US treasury yields push over decade peak. Gold hovers near 1 week low as hawkish Fed boosts dollar yields. And if you look at the forexfactory.com, again you can see Bank of Japan press conference, and this may bring some volatility to the market. Okay, any major change on the statement of Bank of Japan will bring some changes or some volatility to the chart of US dollar index. Okay, so be careful because there may be some sudden moves in the market by the Asian and European session. So please be careful, keep your SLs on the position. So if you look at the chart of DXY, then obviously there is no doubt DXY is an uptrend, and in case DXY shows downside also, I don't think so DXY will be breaking 104.60 for the week, and weekly closing should be above 104.60 only. In case market surprises us and DXY drops, because we can see that DXY overall the market is an uptrend, there is no doubt. But if you look at the present trend of DXY, we can see the momentum is losing. In that case, 104 will be the support if DXY shows downside. I don't think so DXY will show a complete trend reversal for the week. Now let's look at the chart of gold. Okay, so gold is standing at 1924 right now. So after making a low of 1914, gold has shown an up move or recovery of around 100 pips. So I think that we will get a selling opportunity around 1930 level. Okay, so if gold goes up around 1930, we will have our first selling opportunity. It can be 1929, 1930 for 40 pips. Yes, my favorite 40 pips you can expect. Okay, and on the other hand, the next selling opportunity will also be around 1934, 1935. So these are the two selling opportunities on the chart of gold, and I don't think so gold will be going towards 1950 today. In case it goes also, there is very little chance that gold will break 1950. So if you want, then yes, 1950 is standing at the top. 50 and 60, those are big boys, big resistances. But for Friday, 1930, 1930, 435 are the two levels where we can expect the market to give us some selling opportunity for at least 40 to 50 pips. If you're wondering why 1930 and 1935, let me show you. Okay. First of all, let's draw law of Fibo here. After drawing Fibo, we can see that Fibo 23.6 worked. So this gives us the confirmation that Fibo is working here. You can see here the next Fibo is around 1927.5. 1927.5. See, right now I am recording this video in the Asian session. So in the Asian session and European session, if the volatility of the market is low, then you can expect a quick reversal, quick selling opportunity around 1927.5. But see, I record the video in the Asian session, so I need to think about the whole day. So it's a lot of responsibility. So that's why I said that 1930 and 1934.35. Okay. But if you want to go for a sell around 1927.50 due to low volatility, you can go for it. But 1930 is a better level and 1934 is best level to take a sell. Okay. So 1930, because you can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level, and we also have previous price rejection around this area. So both the factors make 1928 and 1930 a very good level. And moreover, you can see that moving averages are also present as dynamic resistance. And 1934.35, because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level, along with that the previous resistance. Okay, we also have previous resistance around this area. And if we zoom out the chart, we can see the same level work as support. If you're a lover of gold, then probably you remember that 1934.35 worked as resistance, it became support, again it became resistance. So we can expect that 1934.35 will be working as resistance again for the market in absence of news. Before news, okay, you can expect if market goes up, we will get a sell around here and a sell around here. Just for confirmation, switch to a lower time frame and see how the market is behaving. If you see market is reversing, then only go for a sell, because observing the market behavior is very, very important. Low level is permanent in the market. Okay, but our capital is limited, so we need to protect our capital. Don't forget that. And yesterday also I showed you on the contracts data that at 1934.35 we have a good number of contracts. So yes, let's wait and watch. Now let's discuss the other side. So our support of 1915 worked. Okay, those who have taken a SPY position, you can exit. Many of you already have exited. Okay. Now see, now we need to draw FIBO from the bottom to the top here. Overall, the levels have been working a fine job. So our next support on the chart of gold is around 1911 level. So if market shows downside, you can expect some support around 1911 level. And if the volatility of the market is low, in that case 1914, 1915 will act as support. So here the volatility of the market will be important. If the market is low volatile market, if you see the market is not moving much, in that case 1940, 1915, yesterday's low, okay, will be working as support. But otherwise, you can expect 1911 to work as support for the market for the next support. And as I told you guys earlier, that 1900 is the best support, is a round number. We have also seen the contracts data that good number of contracts are there. So 1900 to 1903 is still the best support. And I don't think so market will be going below 1900, 1903 for this week. 1900 is a round number contracts data, and along with that, okay, we have also seen good price rejection previously. So these are the levels where you can expect the market to trade. If you have any buy or sell position on the chart of gold right now, you can be on the trade, but there is a chance that market will be going down because the market sentiment is not very bullish for gold. Okay, so if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then it's better to be on the sell side as long as the market sentiment is not very positive for gold. And if you're a day trader, if you prefer to open and exit your positions within the same day, then try to trade from level to level only. You don't need to enter on the middle of the chart. Gamblers do that. We are not gamblers, we are traders. Okay, so that's all from my side. And my dear friends, as I have already told you guys yesterday, that if you're looking for a good broker, reliable broker, safe broker, then you can go with GTC, Global Trade Capital. If you already have a good broker, then obviously you don't need to worry. But if you're in search of a good broker, if you're not happy with your current broker, then GTC can be the solution, because it's a regulated broker and you also get fund protection. There is no commission, and the best thing that I liked about GT is that there is no slippage at the time of news. In fact, you can also place buy and sell orders before the news and it gets executed, and I was shocked. I was not surprised, to be honest. I was shocked to see that. So if you're looking for a good broker, okay, who does not manipulate the market, then yes, GTC can be a solution. You can see here, okay, I have also enclose the brochure of the broker. If you want to know more about the broker, okay, just click on the link here. You will get to know about the broker. And if you open an account through my radar, then obviously I will be able to help you out on a personal level, because there are many times when we are stuck in a problem and we are simply chatting with the customer support, they do not reply. So in this case, if you join under my membership, then obviously you don't need to worry about your problems, because if something happens, then obviously I can approach them directly and solve your problems. And the best part is that if you join through my link, you'll also get a leverage up to 1:2000. So if you have a low capital, then yes, the high leverage can be useful, but do not trade blindly with high leverage. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.